Let's take another set of mother baby. Now, you might have heard the story of the ugly duckling. What did the ugly duckling turn into? A beautiful swan. And he can fly high up in the sky. Swan. Spell swan? S-W-A-N, swan. What is the swan baby called? Cygnet. Okay? C-Y-G-N-E-T. C-Y-G-N-E-T. Cygnet. Let's write. Swan. S. W. A. N. Beautiful swan. Swan baby. Let's write. C. Y. G. N. E. T. Swan baby is called cygnet. Okay, owl. Have you seen an owl? You cannot see. The owl is always hiding at the top of the tree in a tree hole. He comes out only in the night. He cannot see during the day. Spell owl. O-W-L, owl. The baby owl called owlet. O-W-L-E-T. Owlet. That's right. Owl. Mama is called owl. O-W-L. Owl. The baby is called owlet. O-W-L-E-T. O-W-L-E-T. Owlet. Swan, cygnet. Owl, owlet. What about the pig? Little pig. Little piggy. Little pig is the spelling pig. P-I-G-P. What is the baby pig called? Piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet. Pig. Baby is called piglet. That's right. P. I. J. Pig. Mama pig. Baby is called piglet. P. I. G. L. E. T. Piglet. Eagle. A bird, huge bird that flies in the sky. He has sharp eyes, claws, and a very sharp beak. He can see right down. If a rat or a mouse or a chick passing by, he swoop down and pick up the little food for himself. So eagle's baby is called eaglet. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. The baby is called E-A-G-L-E-T, eaglet. Right? That's right. E. A. G. L. Eagle. Beautiful bird that fly high. The baby is called eaglet. E. A. G. L. E. T. Look at the mother and the baby. Swan, cygnet, owl, owlet, pig, piglet, and finally eagle, eaglet. Let's look at another set of mother and baby. Alright? You love to see a little animal with antlers, with spots on him. What is that animal called? Deer. Now what is deer spelling? D-E-E-R, deer. What is the baby of a deer called? Fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Deer's baby is called fawn. Let's write D. E-E-R, mama deer, baby is called fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Okay, who helped the Dobby to carry the load? Very nice, gentle, obedient animal who's got big ears, grey color. Donkey, spell donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. What is donkey's baby called? Donkey's baby is called a colt. C-O-L-T, colt. Let's write. Let's write mama donkey. D. O N K E Y, donkey. Baby is called colt. C O L T, colt. Next, what animal shall we write next? Horse. You like to take a ride on a horse? Spell horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse's baby is called a foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Let's write horse, mama horse. H O R S E, horse. And the baby is called a foal. F O A L, foal. Zebra. Spell zebra. What does zebra look like? He has nice black and white lines on his body. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. What is zebra's baby called? Foal. Very good. Let's write zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Baby is also called foal. F O A L, foal. Okay? Now, look at the mother and the baby. Deer. Deer's baby is called a fawn. Donkey's baby is called a colt. Horse's baby is called a foal. Zebra's baby is also called a foal. Let's take another set of mother and the baby. Which is that animal that carries the baby in a pouch? Kangaroo. Where do you find kangaroo? In the forest. In Australia also, you find a lot of kangaroos jumping all about. Spell kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. What is kangaroo's baby called? Joey. J-O-E-Y, Joey. Let's write K. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Mama kangaroo's baby is called a Joey. J O E Y. Joey. Next, goat. Who gives us milk? Goat also gives us milk. Spell goat. G O A T. Goat. What's goat's baby is called? The baby goat is called a kid. K-I-D. Kid. That's right. G O A T. Goat. Mama goat baby is called a kid. K I D. Kid. Next, what about the sheep? Mama sheep. Sheep spelling S-H. E-E-P. Sheep. And the baby sheep is called a lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Sheep. That's right, Mama sheep. Spell S H E E P. Sheep. Baby is called lamb. L A M B. Lamb. Next, I'm sure you like to look at the fish bowl, fish tank, or any fish. You love to see the fish moving about. Yes? How do you spell fish? F-I-S-H. Fish. I'm sure you must be having fish tank in the school. Then you go on watching tiny baby fishes all moving about. What's the baby of a fish called? Fry. F-R-Y. Fry. The baby fish is called a fry. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Mama fish. Baby is called a fry. F-R-Y. Fry. Look at the mama and the babies. Kangaroos. Baby is called a Joey. Goat's baby is called a kid. Sheep baby is called a lamb. Fish baby is called a fry.